$729. That's right. I got this thing on eBay for $729 plus tax. So that brought it up to about $780, which I don't know why you'd have to pay tax on a thing that's already been bought, but whatever. It is what it is. But essentially this is a half price, more than half price Pixel Fold. So this is going to be my first impressions of this thing. Right out of the box, I could not find a scratch or a nick on this thing. It's essentially brand spanking new. So I've used it for 3 days now, and I gotta say, really been enjoying it. I mean, the form factor so far is my favorite thing, but I'm gonna make a entire video on this, comparing it, reviewing it to other devices. I just want to spend a little more time with this thing, but my initial impressions is it reminds me of a Surface Duo quite a bit, actually. Obviously a Duo is a bit different size, and I'll show some video comparisons, but mostly I want to share that, you know, I got this thing for $729 and I'm just shocked that it's brand new. I mean, it didn't come in its original box, but it did come with the original charger and cord, and the condition of this thing is impeccable. I mean, literally I couldn't find a microfiber scratch on it. Now, when this thing launched, and it still cost the launch price of $1,800 if you go to Google, Best Buy, wherever you get this thing, if you get it new, you're gonna be paying about $1,800. Now at that price, I really couldn't justify picking it up and testing it. I don't know, I just didn't feel like it had the value there for $1,800. But for $729, I'm definitely thought, hey, I'm gonna pick it up, give it a shot, try it out, because I'm ultimately kind of looking for something to scratch that itch that the Surface Duo has given me. Now, I still have the Surface Duo 2. I still use it. I still love it, but unfortunately that thing's going to reach end of life in October. And I was kind of just looking at whether other options are out there. And as far as the physical design, this seems to fit the bill the most. I mean, the screen on this thing is essentially just as tall as a 13 mini. So this is kind of like the 13 mini of the foldable world. I mean, here's my 13 mini right here. Let's see if I can get it fired up. And the screen size is, of course, this one is wider, but they're essentially just as tall. So if anything, get a little bit extra on this one. Of course, you got the notch, but this is like the 13 mini of the foldable space. But I'm obviously going to spend some more time with this, let you guys what I think. But my initial first impressions are really like this thing. I will say I'm not a massive fan of Google software, but I'm starting to get used to it. I mean, I'm not a fan of the Pixel software, I should say. I really like Google. I like One UI from Samsung, but this Pixel experience, we're getting there, but I guess we'll figure it out after using it for more than 3 days. But I will say, love the outer display. Initially, the thing that bothered me about this is when you open it, it doesn't go all the way flat, but I found that if I just add a little bit of force, which may be good or bad, I just give it a little tweak and it stays flat. So easy way to fix. I guess if I snap this thing in half, then I'm out, you know, $780 after tax, but it seems to be pretty robust, definitely well made. So I don't think I'm going to snap this in half by just giving it a little bit of an extra fold to get it undone. But I'm going to be trying this out over the next couple weeks, try and shoot some videos on this. So if there's something you want me to test that's already not out there, you know, something you want to see, let me know. But I'll give you my overall thoughts of this, how I like it, how it compares to other devices. So if you want to see those videos, make sure you turn those notifications on so you know when I upload them. But as always, I appreciate you guys for watching, trying to get back into my mojo here, make as many videos as I can within a reasonable amount of time. So I again appreciate you guys watching. Thanks.